You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this French multinational information technology services and consulting company. How do you say it? For reference in French, in France it is said as Capgemini, but it is accepted that in English it is usually said as Capgemini. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.